Okay, here we go, happy campers. This is the locally made flour tortillas. This is melted refried beans, tomatoes, and Monterey Jack cheese. Okay, and we're gonna do this like we did recently. Put it in the tin foil and cook it over, just like warm the tortillas over the hot coals. And they do get a little bit toasted. Oh, and put in a little bit of rice. Don't worry, my hands are clean. Okay, that's good. And I think maybe just fold them over. That might be better. Just go like this. Make more like a taco type style. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna work. And another thing I learned from last time, make sure that we have the tin foils pretty big. Okay, so let's take this over to the fire. And I have to sit here with my cup of coffee and watch this like a hawk. Okay, because this is very hot. Look at this. Woo, it's hot. Woo, it's hot. Okay. Oh, yeah. Ow. Okay, I'm going to do this after I turn off the phone. Okay, bye-bye. Come back for the plating. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.